Hi Math 100 students. I just finished grading your quizzes from Wednesday, and there were some common mistakes that could cause you trouble on the midterm if we don't get these straightened out. This key is posted on Canvas, under Files, Quiz Keys, right here. Problem number 1 asked about putting fencing around a field. Well, if we're going to go around a shape, that is perimeter. Many of you use the area formula instead. That would be the right formula if we were finding something about the interior of the field, like planting grass, but for fencing, we need the perimeter. Be sure to ask yourself what type of formula you need. For problem number 2, the volume of a cylinder, we need the radius. The diameter is marked as 9 inches, so we need to divide by 2, which gives us a radius of 4.5. Many of you tried to divide 9 by 2 to get but you got an answer of 3. But it should be 4.5. On both problems 1 and 2, you needed to do unit conversions, and those conversions are on your formula sheet. In problem 1, our answer comes out in feet, but we need yards. So we're going to have to convert feet to yards. So to go from feet to yards, we have to divide by 3. In problem 2, our answer comes out in cubic inches, but the instructions ask for the answer in cubic feet. So we're going to have to convert from cubic inches to cubic feet. Cubic inches. Cubic inches to cubic feet. Right here, you're going to have to divide by 1728. Problem 3, the trig problem, actually went very well. But I'm worried about these mistakes on number 1 and 2 because of our upcoming midterm, and also many of you got a low quiz score. So I have put an extra credit opportunity in Canvas for you to have the chance to earn back up to 6 extra credit points on your quiz score, and also to practice these so that you're ready for the midterm. To do that, go to Canvas, Pages tab. There's a new page I've posted, page 3A, Quiz 3 Recap. Open that page. There's instructions there. You'll need to download a Quiz 3 follow-up. On the Quiz 3 follow-up, you can do any or all of these problems for some extra credit points if you get them correct. You can either type your work and your answers in this document, or you can print it and do your work in pencil, and then you'll need to upload it, either way, into the Canvas page. So instructions for uploading your work are on this page in Canvas here. In order to submit it, you'll have to go to the Assignments tab, and there will be a Submit button. Once you've done the worksheet, the quiz follow-up, you can open the assignment, and there's a Submit button up here to do your work. So I'm having you do it that way instead of turning it in class, because there is an absolute deadline for this of this Sunday, June 24th at 4 o'clock. This Sunday, June 24th at 4 o'clock. And I will not be accepting late work because I'm going to post the answers to these in Canvas at that time so that everyone has a chance to look them over in time to absorb it and internalize it for the midterm. So if you want to do that extra credit opportunity, that is available for you. Everyone should be working on Packet 4 to get ready for the midterm. Midterm coming up on Monday. So if you have any questions on Packet 4, remember you can post them on the discussion board. So I'm on Pages, page 4, discussion board. You can post any questions here. You can answer each other. I will log in at least once a day and answer them. So I will see you online on the discussion board, and I will see you Monday morning for the midterm. Bye for now.